Small kitchens test your patience every single day. Tight drawers, crowded countertops, nowhere to prep, nowhere to breathe. In this video, we are diving into Amazon finds designed to reclaim space in tiny kitchens and make compact countertops feel intentional, organized, and calm. These are smart upgrades that hide clutter, unlock vertical space, and help every inch work harder. If you enjoy practical upgrades that actually change how your home feels, subscribe, hit like, and drop a comment with your favorite find. All product links are waiting in the description. Let us get into it. Small kitchens often feel crowded right where life happens most. This black dining table turns one surface into a smart hub. It seats 4 to 6 comfortably while hiding storage beneath the top. Shelves hold daily items, a cabinet keeps dishes clean, and glass racks organize stemware without stealing counter space. The black oak finish feels calm and modern, while the solid base stays steady for everyday meals or hosting friends. It is a real space upgrade that feels intentional, and it lands at $234.98. Pantries feel organized until cans start piling up with no real order. This bamboo organizer restores structure in a way you notice every day. Its two-tier flow naturally moves cans forward, so the oldest one is always the first you reach, reducing waste without extra effort. Adjustable rails adapt to different can sizes, including pet food, while the stackable design takes advantage of vertical space most shelves ignore. Everything stays visible, balanced, and easy to access. The warm bamboo finish adds a calm, intentional look instead of visual noise. A compact upgrade that brings clarity back to your pantry, priced at $27.99. Countertops get crowded fast when towels and tools have nowhere to live. This over-cabinet towel bar creates space you did not know you had. It slips onto the door and instantly adds a clean towel bar outside, plus hooks inside for utensils, gloves, or brushes. Everything dries faster, stays visible, and stays off your counters. The matte black finish feels modern and discreet, while protective pads keep cabinets flawless. No tools, no drilling, just smart use of forgotten space. A subtle kitchen upgrade that feels premium, priced at $20.50. Kitchen counters feel smaller when fruit spreads everywhere with no structure. This 3-tier bamboo basket changes that dynamic the moment it goes up. Vertical layers keep produce separated, visible, and breathing properly, helping fruits and vegetables last longer while freeing surface space. The open airflow design prevents moisture buildup, so everything stays fresh instead of forgotten. Crafted entirely from solid bamboo, it feels warm, stable, and intentionally built, not decorative clutter. 2 detachable hangers create a natural spot for bananas, towels, or small essentials, while non-slip pads protect your countertop and keep everything steady. It adapts easily to snacks, bread, pantry items, or even bathroom storage, making it useful well beyond the kitchen. Assembly is quick, maintenance is simple, and the result is a calmer, more organized space that feels elevated every day. A functional upgrade that looks premium, priced at $34.97. Spice cabinets overflow faster than you expect, and counter space disappears even faster. These magnetic spice racks move storage to a place most kitchens forget. They snap onto metal surfaces and stay locked in place, holding jars securely without sliding or wobbling. 4 shelves create instant order, keeping seasonings visible, reachable, and off crowded cabinets. The matte finish looks clean and modern, while the lightweight build avoids rust and bulk. No tools, no setup, just immediate control over daily chaos. A smart upgrade that feels effortless, priced at $29.99. Small details change how a kitchen feels, and this seasoning box proves it. Clear acrylic compartments keep spices visible and perfectly separated, turning everyday condiments into something that feels intentional and refined. The stainless steel ring adds a subtle premium touch, while non-slip seals keep everything steady on the counter. 4 matching spoons make seasoning smooth and precise, without mess or clutter. Easy to clean and effortless to maintain, it brings order and elegance to daily cooking. A polished upgrade that feels far more expensive, priced at $17.99. Meal prep feels easier when your containers actually work with you. This 10-pack glass set brings structure to busy weeks by keeping meals visible, sealed, and ready to go. The borosilicate glass feels solid and clean, while airtight locking lids protect freshness without leaks or spills. They stack neatly in the fridge, freezer, or cabinets, freeing space instead of adding clutter. From cooking to storing to reheating, everything flows naturally and stays organized. A reliable daily upgrade that supports healthier routines, priced at $35.99. Serving bread can feel messy until everything has a place. These wicker baskets turn everyday food into a clean, intentional display. The woven design adds warmth, while the clear acrylic lid keeps bread and fruit protected without hiding what is inside. You can see everything at a glance, keeping food fresh and counters calm. Lightweight yet sturdy, they move easily from kitchen to table, parties, or gatherings. 2 baskets give flexibility for daily use or hosting, adding a refined touch without clutter. A simple upgrade that elevates presentation, priced at $38.99. Kitchen drawers look fine until dust, clutter, and mixed utensils slow everything down. This covered silverware organizer brings calm back instantly. 6 well-sized compartments separate forks, spoons, knives, and tools, so each piece has a clear place and is easy to grab. The transparent lid keeps everything protected while letting you see what you need at a glance. It fits neatly in most drawers, yet works just as well on a countertop or even on the go for picnics and travel. Lightweight, sturdy, and made for daily use, it turns routine moments into something smoother and more intentional. A small upgrade that keeps order where it matters most, priced at $19.99. Snacks feel more fun when everything is visible, organized, and easy to share. This divided serving tray turns casual snacking into a clean, portable experience. Clear compartments keep fruits, candy, and nuts perfectly separated, so flavors stay distinct and presentation stays polished. The secure lid protects everything inside, while the built-in handle lets you carry it effortlessly from kitchen to table, or straight to a picnic or party. It works just as well for everyday treats as it does for building a compact charcuterie display that looks intentional. Lightweight, durable, and easy to wipe clean, it keeps gatherings relaxed and mess-free. A simple piece that makes hosting feel smoother and more put together, priced at $14.99. Reusable bags are great until drying them turns into a daily mess. This drying rack brings order back to your counter. The stainless structure holds bags open so air flows naturally, helping them dry faster and stay spotless. A flexible mat underneath catches water and keeps surfaces clean, while the top area doubles as a spot for cups, sponges, or bottles. When you are done, it folds down neatly, freeing space instantly. Lightweight, sturdy, and thoughtfully designed, it supports cleaner routines without clutter. A practical kitchen upgrade that feels smarter every day, priced at $19.99. Paper towels are always needed right when your hands are busy. This under-cabinet holder puts them exactly where they should be, without drilling or tools. It mounts securely using a strong adhesive, keeping rolls off the counter and freeing valuable workspace. The stainless steel build feels solid and clean, while the smooth tier design lets you pull a sheet with one hand, no slipping or unraveling. Install it vertically or horizontally under cabinets, on side panels, or smooth walls, adapting to how your kitchen actually works. After a simple press and short wait, it stays firmly in place and looks built in. A small change that makes daily cleanup faster and more controlled, priced at $11.99. Small kitchens struggle when prep space and storage run out at the same time. This rolling kitchen island solves both without feeling bulky. A solid wood top creates a reliable surface for cutting, serving, or placing appliances, while drawers and open shelves keep tools, pans, and essentials organized and easy to reach. Smooth wheels let it move wherever you need it, then lock firmly in place when it is time to work or serve. The oak and white finish adds warmth and balance, making the space feel intentional instead of crowded. Strong, practical, and flexible, it adapts to daily cooking and hosting alike. A smart upgrade that adds function without stealing room, priced at $89.99. Knife drawers hide blades and waste time when cooking picks up speed. This magnetic knife stand brings clarity and control back to your counter. Crafted from warm acacia wood, it holds knives on both sides using a powerful hidden magnetic system that keeps each blade visible, secure, and easy to grab. The stainless steel base adds weight and balance, so the stand stays steady even during busy prep moments. Smooth surfaces protect edges and make cleaning quick, keeping the setup hygienic and refined. It turns knives into part of the kitchen design instead of clutter, creating a workspace that feels calm, intentional, and professional every day. A premium detail that elevates how your kitchen works and looks, priced at $42.99. Deep drawers hide space you never fully use. This sliding drawer bin creates a second level that brings order back instantly. It expands to fit your drawer, keeping tools, towels, or lids right where your hand expects them. When you need what is underneath, it glides aside smoothly, no lifting or digging. One drawer becomes two clean, functional zones, priced at $21.99. Counters feel calmer when storage moves off the surface and onto the wall. This set of hanging fruit baskets turns unused vertical space into something functional and beautiful. 3 hand-woven cotton baskets create natural airflow, helping fruits, onions, and vegetables stay fresh while remaining easy to grab. Different sizes let you separate items naturally, keeping everything visible instead of buried in bowls. The soft boho texture adds warmth and character, blending storage and decor effortlessly. Strong hooks give flexible placement, whether you prefer a clean, no-drill setup or a more permanent mount. Lightweight yet durable, these baskets organize daily essentials while making the kitchen feel lighter and more open. A thoughtful space upgrade that brings order and style together, priced at $20.99. Crowded counters make daily routines feel chaotic. This adjustable 3-tier organizer brings order by using corners most people ignore. Its layout shifts between triangle and rectangle shapes, fitting neatly on kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, or coffee stations. Natural bamboo shelves add warmth, while sturdy legs keep everything stable. Spices, skincare, mugs, or plants stay visible and easy to reach without spreading across the surface. It assembles quickly and changes how the space flows, creating a cleaner and more intentional setup, priced at $23.99. Morning coffee feels different when everything is in its place. This capsule drawer organizer transforms the area under your machine into a clean, intentional coffee station. One smooth sliding tray stores multiple Vertuo capsule sizes together, so upgrades never create clutter. High-capacity storage keeps dozens of pods neatly aligned and easy to browse, without stealing extra counter space. The drawer glides out effortlessly, holding capsules steady so nothing tips or spills. A tempered glass top supports your coffee maker with confidence, while the metal frame adds a solid, premium feel. Non-slip feet keep everything quiet and stable, even on stone or granite surfaces. Cleanup stays simple with a quick wipe, and daily routines feel calmer and more refined. It turns coffee prep into a smooth ritual instead of a messy habit. A thoughtful upgrade that elevates your coffee corner every single day, priced at $34.95. Spice cabinets feel chaotic when nothing matches and freshness fades too fast. This glass spice jar set restores order the moment it is in place. 24 square jars line up cleanly, creating a uniform look that elevates drawers, shelves, or pantries. Airtight stainless steel lids protect aroma and flavor, keeping spices bold and ready every time you cook. Clear glass makes it easy to spot what you need, while premium dark labels add a refined, cohesive finish. Shaker inserts and a steel funnel simplify refills and daily use, turning organization into a smooth routine instead of a chore. Compact sizing maximizes space without visual noise, bringing calm and control back to your kitchen, priced at $34.95. Under-sink spaces turn chaotic when tall bottles and supplies have nowhere to fit. This 2-tier sliding organizer brings structure back instantly. Built from heavy steel, it supports serious weight while staying steady and smooth every time you pull it out. Adjustable height levels adapt to sprays, cleaners, and toiletries, so nothing gets wasted or hidden in the back. The sliding design gives full visibility without bending or kneeling, making daily routines faster and cleaner. Strong suction and adhesive anchors keep everything firmly in place inside the cabinet. It works just as well in kitchens, bathrooms, pantries, or closets, turning forgotten spaces into reliable storage zones. A practical upgrade that restores control where clutter usually lives, priced at $43.69.